Hi, I'm Dr. Wendy Lee from the School of Electrical Engineering and Telecommunications at UNSW. The teaching challenge I want to address is helping first year engineering students build a sense of community and connection from day one. When I started teaching Dozen 1000, Introduction to Engineering Design and Innovation, at USW, I noticed something straight away. This course brings together hundreds of first year students from various engineering disciplines. They're then tasked to form six-person teams to design and build a prototype. But on day one, most students don't know anyone else in the class. My goal was then to help students see each other as people and not as just numbers on the spreadsheet. So I created an activity called speed dating and soldering. It starts with a speed dating round, not for romance, but for teamwork. Students rotate through short, structured conversations, sharing their interests, skills, and teamwork preferences. This helps them find project teams intentionally, rather than just being randomly assigned. It's fast, structured, and encourages everyone to talk and connect, humanizing the team formation process. Once everyone's found their match, we solder the connections, literally. Students then solder their own electronic circuit, a hands-on skill that they'll need for their project. This activity keeps them engaged and chatty while introducing them to the makerspace, a key collaborative space that they'll use throughout the term. This combination of structured interaction with hands-on learning helps students start their journey with meaningful connections and practical skills. If you're looking to build student communities in large first-year courses, try giving students structured early interactions. Link these to a hands-on task that's relevant to your course and keep it short, fast-paced, and low stakes. These simple steps help them start the term feeling like they're part of a community. And when they start feeling like they belong, their confidence and learning really spark.